plan for today is that I'll hopefully move the rest of those Holm Oaks into the dead hedge and start constructing them in there, and then I don't really know. Then I guess we'll see. Maybe I will sand down the table in the kitchen and then treat it with some oil. I'll see how long that might take. And then we have the kids group again, so I'm not really sure what we'll get up to. Maybe some more seed sowing, because we need to really get some more of that on the go if they want anything to grow. So yeah, it's a nice day again, which is nice. Ow! Wouldn't be me trying to do something if I hadn't screwed up in some way. I managed to run over this, so I don't know how I'm gonna undo it. I might have to cut it. I don't really understand what's happened. I can't see where it is. Ooh. Yeah, doesn't look great. Oh well. Guess I'll cut that off. Right. So I fill the grit up. But look at this. Oh, they all laid their little eggies together. Except for one person who laid their egg there. What the hell, bro? Okay. I'm just going to add some straw in there so that it's more attractive for them to lay their eggs in it, hopefully. And a bit of grit for them to use to help grind their food down. So yeah. Okay, so I made them a cute little nesty in here. Had some straw and then I just done like a little, can't really see it, like a little L shape, because otherwise they just muck it all up and it's a waste. So yeah, cute. This here is the dead hedge. So I've already filled up one load into here just to see roughly how much would fill it. Well, how much it would fill it up. Whatever. So this is just the one load. It's up to about here. So look. And the point is that you kind of have these layers of like different types. I mean, obviously we're just putting in Holm Oak, so it's not the most ideal, but we have had other stuff put in here. We collected a load of Christmas trees the year previous and filled that up, but I've never been able to get it this high, so this is nice. This is actually acting as a windbreak, which it hasn't done before. So yeah, I think I'm going to start over there because that bit of the dead hedge is really low. It's like down to like here now. So that'll be the biggest difference. And the other thing I was trying the other day, I haven't tried before, is sticking them upright, like little trees, just little bits, sticking them straight in. Kind of like helping give it a bit more structure, but also giving it more height and then more places for the birds to rest is the plan. I've also got a little camera trap, so once I've filled up most of this, I will I'll set that up and see. And the first year that I put it in, I caught kestrel just chomping on a little mouse, so that was pretty fun. But yeah, you can see how low this is. It's much, much lower than over that way. There's a little birdie in there. So this is an old Christmas. This is my old Christmas tree, which is from the heaths. I cut a tree from the heath, but I don't know why it's still green. Probably because it rained so much. Thinks that it's still alive. Okay. Anyway, I will get on with that and then see how much time I've got left after this. Look, what's this? Come eat it. So I planted this grass because their grass was all out. Well, it's getting thin and muddy and gross in here, so I thought, oh, I'll give them a bit of grass, but apparently they're not even that interested. I guess I'll leave it out and see if they eat it at some point. Apparently a change of location helps. Managed to charge my phone a little bit so I can show you how far I've got with today. I'll show you from back here because it's quite a good view. So it looks like much more of a fence line now across the whole thing, rather than just how it was before, which was not really stopping much wind and not really, well, it was actually as some sort of habitat at the bottom but not higher up, so hopefully the birds will use it now. But maybe we'll catch some stuff on the camera trap, I'm not really sure. It'll be exciting to see who turns up. It's always an adventure because you put them out and then you don't know, you're not going to see them until you bring them back in and look at the memory card, so yeah, fingers crossed. Cool, see you at the next one. There we go.
That looks cool.
Have a little look at those. Looks very cute.
Yeah.
Probably fill it up a bit more if you want. But
So
Little.